Hey y'all, I'm Jeremiah from MarineMax Sarasota, and we're on board our 2019 Boston Whaler 280 Outrage. And I love to call this boat outrageous because how many other boats in this size can you get from the factory with twin 350 Verado outboards with joystick? This boat comes right out of the gate running north of 60 miles an hour. If you've never been 60 on the water, 60 on the water is flying. But what makes this boat really cool is all the detail and the way they make you really appreciate this boat for the family. A couple of small examples right off the bat. You've got an amazingly secure rear chair. Nothing like the chairs you're used to sitting in a bunch of boats. This one is rock solid, incredibly comfortable. Obviously a boat like this, joystick, you've got a battery charger on board. Well, when you're outside the boat, you don't even have to open this door. I will to show you, but the battery charger's outside. All you gotta do is reach across, plug the boat in, you're done for the night. How many times have you gone in the console, gone under the floor to turn your batteries on? Outrageous? Forget about it. They're right here. And of course, right underneath it, you see JL Audio. You're gonna see some of the best pieces on this boat that you can. We've got an amazing leaning post, 30-gallon live well, freshwater, sink, and of course, you need cup holders, and this boat's got them in spades. You've got an incredible dash, joystick controls because you have digital throttle and shift from Mercury. You've got power steering. You see a small vessel view here. What you don't see is your electronics package. We'll do that. Garmin, Simrad, Raymarine, radar. We'll do that on a dealer level and we'll take care of you guys. Of course, this boat is equipped with a hard top. You've got tons of rod storage. We can stick outriggers in it for you. You've got the spots for it. Boston Whaler builds these with a tempered glass, fully sealed, full wraparound. This makes a difference when you're boating in rough weather or your wife, your kids want to tuck away out of the wind. Great place to do it. But before I lose you, let's walk up front and see one more parting piece for this boat. Obviously, you've got a bit of seating up here, some storage there. You've got your windlass and windlass storage there, but that's not the party piece on the front of the boat. This is a comfortable lounger for someone who's 6'2", 6'3", 6'4", and it rides awesome. You've got fold-away armrests, and of course I left it covered up because Boston Whaler sends you with a full cover. But we're not done, because this boat has some of the best storage in a boat this size. Boston Whaler reimagines the Coffin Box, and what you're seeing down here is 5-gallon pails. It's deep enough for 2 of them. There's lockable, this is a lockable storage. There's rod storage underneath here. It's just an incredible place to hide everything that you need, whether it's a day at the sandbar with the family or a day the hardest core fishing, chasing yellowfin or whatever you need to do with your buddies. This is Boston Whaler's 2019 280 Outrage. I'm Jeremiah from Sarasota. Guys, give us a call. We'd love to help you get on the water. Talk to you soon.